Alright guys, I want to specially welcome you to today's training. Okay, in today's training we'll be learning how to design a real estate website. Okay, we'll be learning how to design a full-fledged real estate website with property listing. Okay, so in before we start the training, first and foremost, before you can design a real estate website, you need to have what is called a domain. Okay, so once you purchase your domain name from any of the web hosting company, you have access to a cPanel. A cPanel is what you are seeing here. This is what is called a cPanel. Okay, everything is inside the cPanel. Alright, so a cPanel is the control room of a website. An example of a real estate website is what you have here. This is a real estate website. You can see property listing. You can see it, property listing. Click on it, like click on it now. You see the property being listed. Okay, so you can see property listing. You can see all of the functionalities, amenities. You can see them. Alright, so this is an example of what we'll be designing today. Let me see. There's another one. We call it middle. Alright, good. Middle solutions. Alright, this is also an example of a real estate website. Middle solutions. Right. Okay, let's wait for good. You can see it now. This is also an example of a real estate website. You can see it with properties. That's different properties we are listing. You can check it. Click on it now. Click on it, you get to know what you have there. You can see it. All of the amenities, videos. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the training proper. Okay, so go to our cPanel, like I showed you. This is a cPanel. I'll be using a subdomain. Okay, I'll be using a folder or a directory, whichever one, for this training. But for you who will be designing for yourself or your business or your client, you don't need to go through all those process. Just purchase your domain name and just follow the same process I will be following. Okay, the same process I'll be following, just follow through. And also, if you have issues, you have any complaint in the course of the training, please do well to reach out to us, and we'll be glad to help you out with any of the problem. All right, so now I'll go over to my cPanel, and then I'll click on WordPress. I'll click on install now. Then I will just fix some let's say homes, or just put it there and just use rehomes. Okay, rehomes, this is it. Then I'll just leave every other thing. Then I'll make sure I install this classic editor. Alright, good. Once I'm done with that, just scroll down and click on install. Alright, just give it some minutes to install. You can see it now. So I'll just click on this to go. Alright, so we are here. Okay. Alright, so next is for us to install the theme. The theme we'll be using is called Home ID. Home ID. Theme. You can see it. Home ID theme is a real estate, and it costs 57. Okay, now it's $60. You can see it's $60. But you that having access to this video, you'll be given access to this theme for free. Right? You'll be given access to this theme for free. So now let's go there, go to theme to install, go to appearance and click on theme. Come to appearance, click on theme. Alright, so click on add new, click on upload, then click on choose file. Okay, I'll click on choose file. Then I'll come to desktop, using my desktop, scroll down, test area. Okay, I come to real. Alright, home ID, you can see there. Then I'll click on this is it. I'll install, then click on open. Then you click on install now. so we have to give it some time for it to upload. Right, just relax and let's wait for it to upload. Okay, all right, good. Our theme has successfully installed. So now we click on what? Activate. Click on this activate. You can see it. Click on activate. All right, you can see it's activated. Then you click on begin installing plugins. All right, so click on this. You can see it now. Click on this. Then you click on install. Right, click on install, then scroll up and click on apply. Click on apply, just wait for it. Just wait for it to. All right, good. You click on what? Return to require plugin installer. Yeah, click on it, then do the same thing again, but this time we are activating. Just tick this and then click activate. You can see all of them activate. All right, so let me uninstall this and I'll click on apply. All right, so all of them have been activated. I need to okay, let me activate it too. Just activate all. All right, so remove this and go back. Good. I don't want this too. Let me just also go back. All right, so now okay, we have all. So you come to home ID. You can see the home ID. Then once you are here, come to install demo. Click on install demo. Okay, you can see different demo. You can see different demo. All right, so you can see them. So I just go ahead and pick one. I'll click on import. It's asking to type install. I'll just type install. All right, okay, then it's importing. Just wait for it to import. So that is the step we need to follow. So once we are done, just move over to, you can see all of this now. The way this works, different properties are being listed. All right, so you can also list your own. If you also check this particular website, you can see it. Let's just go back to home. So this is an example of a real estate website. You can see there are different kinds of real estate websites. So how you want it to be depends on you that is building the website. You can see them. You can see this is what upcoming project. Then now see find properties in these cities. You can see them. Okay, then say what are you looking for? Property sales, letting, and facility management. All of that, who we work with, company they are working with. Then we have this, as simple as that. All right, so let's wait for our auto import. This also, let me also show you this. If you come to this home, so we are working with this while waiting for our own to install. You can see all properties. They have properties: mid-off premium estate, mid-off classic estate, the garden estate, Orofun, legit convenant city, 5-bedroom detached duplex, Songotedu Lekki, future home Kuje Abuja, mid-off elegant estate Ilori. Alright, so these are different properties in different locations. So that is how real estate works. Okay, it all depends on how you want it to be. It all depends on how you want it to be. So you can list as many projects as possible. Sometimes you can even have properties. These are buildings. They have buildings. They have lands for sale. They have a duplex for rent, and all these are different kinds of. And you can see being displayed here. So let's see. Okay, good, perfect. It said install done. Click on OK. Alright, so let's visit our site now. Can visit our site to see. So wait for it. Alright, good. So let's wait. Okay, now for me to pick the one I want to use for my home, you can just do any of these. I would prefer to use, okay, let me view this. You can see this. Wow, I like this. This is perfect. This is good. This is good. I'll work on this. All right, good. So what I'll do now is, you can see is home 2, right? Home 2. So let me, now that I've done importing my demo, so for me what is left now is for him to customize and list properties. First and foremost, I need to create my menu, but then before I do that, I need to have my home. Let me open this site in a new tab. Let me open this site. Alright, so I'll come over to this place. I'll copy the link. Let me see. Copy the link, then come over to this place. I'll just paste it here. Okay, then enter. Paste it, then enter. Okay, that has not been selected, so let me come back here. Now come over to my settings. You can see it here. I'll come to settings. Okay, come to settings, then you come to reading. Okay, come to settings, come to reading. Then come to static home page, click on it. My home page, I want to be home 2. This is what I want to use to as my front home page. I'll click on it. My blog is there. Then I'll click on save. Click on save. Then if I come over to this part now and I reload this, okay, alright, so now it's done. So let me do this again. Okay, okay, let me see. So since I've done that, let me come back to the okay, my home. All right, let me see. I'm done importing it now. Okay, there's no need. So now that I've done that, so I'll come over to my appearance and create my menu. Okay, come to appearance and click on menu. Okay, so you can see the menu that is there. I don't want all of this. Okay, I don't want all of this. I'll just delete it. Delete. I don't want this, so I'll now create my menu. This also I don't want. Okay, I don't want that too. What's left? What's this one? I don't want. Just delete all the menu that is here. I want to create my menu. Okay, I don't want this too. Delete. I'll show you how you can create your menu. Alright, just delete as many of as many you can delete. Okay, we'll show this one again. So footer, I don't want it, delete. Alright, so what's this again? So you can see these are default menu that came with the theme, so we need to create our own menu. Also delete, alright, so good. Now I'll just come here, type my menu, I'll type it as primary menu, then I'll click here, select the display location as my main menu. Okay, and I'll click on create. Then I'll add item. Come over to this place, click on view all. You can see it now. Add about us, add. So let me use this as my guide. Okay, what's this? We have properties, we have services, about us. So I'll just work with these 5 properties, services, or let me check this. What's this one? Properties or services. Okay, good, I think that's okay. Alright, so come over to this place, have about us, I have properties. Where is it? I see properties. Okay, my properties, good, I'll add it. Services, do I have it there? Let me see. Okay, I'll just replace that with blog. Good. Do I have services there too? Good. Then I'll just put contacts. Okay, let me go back to 1. Contacts. Okay, good. Contacts. Now add to menu. Alright, so let me rename this one's showing O2. I don't want O2. Alright, I'll remove that. Okay, about us, this contact us 01, I'll remove it. You can see it now. Okay, now I'll save it. I see my menu is set, so let me refresh this and see what I have here. Okay, let me see what I have here. Good, you can see our website is 50% ready. 50% ready. You can see about us, my properties. If I click on this now, you can see it's asking me to sign in. Alright, it's asking to sign it. You have my blog. You can see these are blog. Right, then you have services. Let me click on services. You can see services, what we offer. You can see home selling, home buying. You can see it. So with just that thing now, you can see that you have your site up and running. Your website is up and running. Sorry, let me just remove this. Your website is up and running. You can see it now. Contact us. Let me check the contact us. You can see contact us. Right, you can see it. Right, good. So now let's go back. Let's quickly go back. So what we need to do now is to customize. First and foremost, you can see the properties. Alright, just a minute. So since we have gotten the theme now, you can see our website is 50% ready. You can see everything there. It's 50% ready. Okay, so now let me reload this page. Okay, I don't think this is our part. Let me remove this. Okay, so let's visit our site again. Open the site in a new tab. Open our site in a new tab. Okay, you can see our sites. Alright, so now let me quickly show us how to add properties. You can see the properties that are there. These are default one that came with it. So come to your dashboard, then you see properties. You can look at it here. Now click on all properties. Okay, you can see them. These are properties. So let's quickly trash all of this. Let me just trash these ones and show you how to add property. So just select, you can see, click here, then click on bulk action, then move to trash. You can see there's select move to trash, then apply. Okay, click apply. You can see that has been done. You can see you still have about 25 more to go. Okay, so you can still do the same thing. Let me just do this last one. Do is, you can see, move to trash, then apply. Okay, so this is how you delete default ones. Then that is one. Then for you to add a new property, you come here. All right, that's property. Then you have what's called property type. Let me open this and show you property type. You can see property type. What kind of property are you listing out? Is it apartment? Is it a home? Is it an office? These are this thing. So I'll just select all. Then the one I need apartment, I need luxury home, I need office. Okay, I need house, so I think that's the one I need. The rest one I will delete them. Click on delete and I'll apply. Okay, good. These are the ones I had. What kind of property the type is apartment, house, luxury homes, and office. Can even decide to remove or let me just leave it. That's property type. They have property status. Let me click on property status, so I'll show you. Is it for rent or for sale? These are the status. Are you renting it or you are selling it? Okay, or you can even add the buy. You can add, if you want to add, you just add a new property type. You can see it here. Okay, that's property status. Then you have property, is it, let me just show us all of this one. You have property features. Let me click on it. Property features. You can see these are the things it's like amenities. Let me show you. If you come to this now, you see property features and amenities. Living area, dining area, study, fitted kitchen, all of this. This is features. Sometimes it's called features, sometimes you can also call it amenities, depending. All right, but if you come to this now, you see it as what? Let me open one of these. Okay, good. Let me open this and show you. If you open this particular site now, good, you can see it's called features. What you get when you buy that particular apartment, what you start to see. Okay, that is what you mean by features. So you can see them: air condition, barbecue, dryer, gym, laundry, law, microwave. These are the things you will see. Okay, if you see, if what you have here, for instance, let me check this now. If you look at it now, you have elevator, if or balcony. Good, balcony. If you look at this list here, do you have balcony? We don't have balcony. You can add it. Come back to this place, type it there. You can see it, balcony. Okay, you can also add it here. You can add it there, balcony. It's easy. Features, so add it there. You can see it there. So if you want more, you can add it. Features, what the person will get from the apartment. Then you have property label. Okay, click on property label. Property label, hot offer, special offer. You can see it now. You can see, okay, hot offer. You can see special offer. Oh yeah, you can see it's special offer. You can see it now. Special add it, property label. You have, you can see it, those are the two. Then you have, I want more, you have a province and state. Okay, you can see where do you have it. These are UK. I don't want any of this. You can select it and delete. Okay, I don't want any of this. I'll click apply. All right, I don't want any of this. Good, then I'll come over to this place. I'll add it. Say Abuja. I say Abuja. Okay, come over to this place, paste it. Country, Nigeria. Is this Nigeria? Good. Okay, add. You can see it now. Then come over again, say Lagos. You can see it's easy. It's easy. Paste it there. So the same thing. Nigeria. add it. Then I can say Benin City. Okay. Alright, so come over here again and paste it. I say it again, Nigeria. Alright, add. You can see these are, if you still want more, let's say I want to add Port Harcourt. Good. Okay, I want to add Port, okay, Port Harcourt. Come over, so Nigeria, then add. Hope you are getting what I'm doing. So this is it. If you want to add description, you can edit it and add the description. You can see these are the property states. Then I will now come to city or town. If I want to add city or town, you can see the cities. Okay, if you want to add this, but I don't want any of them, I'll just delete. Just click on apply. I don't want any of them. You can see I don't need that. The neighborhood, if you want to also add neighborhood, you can see neighborhood. Okay, if you want to add it, but I don't need it, I just select it. Alright, or apply. I don't want that. Okay, go to the again country. Come to country. These are the countries. So with that, now we are done with that property, this thing. So if you want to add a new property, okay, click on add new. Okay, you can see it, add new. Then first is property, add title. You can see it now. So let me just use one example here. Oh, okay, there's the name of this one. Okay, I'll just copy it, 5 bedroom. I'll copy this. Okay, that's the name, add title. I'll come over to this place, I'll paste it. You can see it now. So what kind of property type? You can say apartment. Okay, special offer. Okay, I can say for sale. Okay, then what are the features? I'll just add them. I can just add as many as I can. Alright, so you have it there. Then you have label, special offer. You can select the states. Okay, what is this? Okay, let me see what this states. Why is this one's not coming up? Okay, I'm coming to that. Let me fix all of this. So first on now, then the next is you come to just a description you need to put if you want to put it there. You can see price. You can see price. You can see 50 million. Okay, you can see 50 million. You can see 50 million. All right. Price on call, no or yes. Square size, if you know the square size, you can put it there. You can know the land area, you put it there. How many rooms? You can say 5 rooms. How many bedroom? You can say 5. How many bathroom? You can say 6. Whichever one, garage, all of those things. If you have it there, you can put. Okay, then you come to this part now. You can see feature image. Okay, you check every other part again. You need to put if there's any other thing. Okay, good. You come to this part, you see feature image. Click on it. Right, then click on select file. Okay, come to read, and let me just open this folder. That's all. Okay, let me open this. Okay, good. There are some pictures here, so I can just use this for the sake of this plus. Okay, all right, that is for the feature image. You can see it there. All right, so then you come to over to let me scroll up. You come to location, so you can see if you want to add map, you can add map. You can put the property address and zip code. Let's say I can say I would like to call it now. I can say Ugbowo Benin City. Okay, you can put the zip code. Alright, so that is that. Any other thing again? Okay, see there. Then you come to floor plan. If you have the floor plan, you can have it. You can upload, say floor plan. You can add it there. If you have the floor plan, you can upload the floor plan here. Or if you don't have it, you can say no. They have gallery image, so you can add more pictures. You can add more pictures. You can click on select. You can add more pictures. Just select like right. You can add more pictures. You can see them coming up. Alright, so I'll click on say use these images. You can see them. If you want to add more, you can see add more. Alright, so you check file attachment. If you want to attach file, you attach file. You click on this add file, property video. If you want to add a video, you just, since if it's a YouTube, let's say for instance I want to add this. Okay, I want to add this now. I'll click on this copy video URL. Then I'll come over to this place. I'll paste it here. You can see it now. I'll paste it. Press enter. Okay. Every other thing you need to add. You can see. Okay. I think. Let me see property video. Okay. Then I can now publish. Alright. Good. So let's view it. Let's view our sites. Let's view the property. Okay, so you can see it now. You can see everything will just feed up. You can see. So that is how you add your you can see it's 500 million. You can see it. That is how you add properties to a site. You can see that is how you add property. Okay, you can see it now. This is the property. Okay, so we are done with that. Adding property. Let me add one more so you can see it. Let me add one more. Okay, so come over again. I'll go again, but then let me quickly fix this state that is not showing. I need to add province and states. It's telling me no. Let me see why it's showing me no. Province and states. Let me open a new tab. Province and state is here now. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me check country. Okay, no country is selected. I don't know. Let me see. Save changes. Let me see. Okay, since I've done that now, okay, let me add one more property. Let me come over here. I'll click on add new. Click on add new. You can see it, so I'll go again. Let me use this one now. 5-bedroom Michelle. Okay, oh sorry. So I'll come here, I'll paste it. You can see it. I'll paste. I can say luxury home, good. For sale. You can say what are the features of the, you have free Wi-Fi. You have free Wi-Fi, you have cable TV, you have sauna, you have refrigerator, you have indoor shower, you have air conditioned gym and laundry. Okay, if there is still more you want to add, you can click here and add it. Special offer. Still not showing now. Okay, good. States. You can see it now. States. You can see Abuja. Good. Then I can now come over to this place. That's the country. I'll set feature image. Then we'll come over to this place. Click on how to use. Okay, let me come back here. Say 3. Good. Let me just look for a good. Okay, perfect. I use this. Alright, that's my feature image. Alright, you can see. I'll say set as feature image. You can see it's already showing there. Right, that is the first part. So now we need to fill in, say, million. Okay, come over to this place. I say 200 before price label. So put a call. Can just all of these sizes. I say just put the sizes of size, square feet, land area. Just make sure you fill out how many rooms. I say 7 rooms, 5 bedrooms, 8 this. So you can fill the garage, you can see it now. So also fill all of these informations. You can see the property ID, year built, I can say 2022. Alright, so that is that. Then come to location, you can see location, put the address there. You can say okay, I can say Abuja. Just put it there. Or how will I use this now? Okay, I can say Banana Island. Good. Banana Island. Banana Island from Lagos. You can see it now. Then put this thing there. So just put the zip code. So I'm just using this for this training, so you can be sure that whatever property you are listing is verified. Okay, just fill all those information. These are default layouts, it's not necessary. So you can choose the style you want your property to display. So that is where you see default. If you want it to show like this, show like this, show like anyhow you want it to show. These are the style. So if you want it to show like this, you can pick it. So whichever one you choose, it all depends. So the floor plan, if you have the floor plan, you can add it. If you have, now we'll come to gallery, more pictures. So I'll click on this. I'll come over to this now. I'll add more pictures. Okay, just add more. This 4 is okay. Still have other things to do. So just wait for it to upload. Hope you are getting it. That is how you create your real estate website. And please, like I always advise, take your time to watch this video over and over before implementing. And in the course of implementing, if you have issues, please do well to reach out to us via our WhatsApp number. Okay, so you just put it there. You can see the properties, they are there. Alright, so you can see you can still add more to as many as possible. File attachment, if you have file, you can add it. Property video, if you have property video, let me see, does it have video? No video. So you can see it's easy. If you have a video, you can see the way I did the other one. Let me see, copy it again. Right click on it, right click, you can see copy video URL. Then come over to this place, then just paste the link. Okay, paste the link. Virtual tour, not necessary. Agent, not necessary. Private note, if you have a note you want to drop, create a private note for the property. So you should just put it there. So once you are done with all of this, you publish. Okay, so now let's come to our site and see how far we've gone. Let's see how far we've gone. You can see the properties we are just listed. Look at them here. Look at this is the first one, this is the second one. You can click on it. Okay, so you can see it, so let it wait for it to open. You can see it. You can see the property, how much, 200 million. You can see all of these things, luxury home, right? Address, you can see its location. Okay, I will select Abuja. Okay, you can see the features, details, videos. So it's easy. You can see it's very easy. All right, now let's continue. Since we are done with that, let's come to essential real estate setup. Let's see what was here. Okay, the country. All right, so you can see, let's do the necessary setup. Let me check the price first. Price format. Okay, you can see billion, million, thousand. Then the currency, you can change the currency. You can see currency is in dollar. If you want to remove it to dollar, put naira. Just copy the naira sign and put there. You can see it now. So the necessary things we need to change: general. I come to general. What do we need to change here? The countries. If you want to put the town, the city. Language for date picker, US, UK. Can say this is English UK. Can see there. Measurement type square. This is square feet. Square feet. Okay, that is for that. Then you come over to this one, say setup page. Setup page, new property, new properties, my profile, my invoice, all of this. Like I will always say, if you don't know what to do, then just leave it. If you don't know what to do, just leave it, please and please, so that you won't mess things up for yourself. Okay, so you can see I'm not touching anything here, just to make sure that these pages are confirmed. All right, so user and agent. You can see allow to submit property via front end, allow user to submit property. Okay, you can see allow enable social login. All right, so enable user to, okay, users can register as agent. Yes, yes, yes. That is where you have this thing there. That is where you can see this. Let me show you in the other browser. That's where you can see sign in. All right, you can see add listing. You click on add listing now. You can see it tell you to sign in. All right, so that is where that one is there. Okay, so you can see that this theme is well detailed enough. All right, so you can see all of these things. If you want to add a picture, avatar picture, just click on change image. All right, so that is that. Property, you can see all of this, publish this. Okay, just go through payment submission. Okay, paper, package, Akodia, paper settings. If you want to use paper, if you want to use Stripe, wire transfer, then you have to put the message here. If you wanted to pay, but most times when you are if you look at this real estate website now, you don't make payment on time. You don't make payment because before they can make payment, they need to see what they are paying for. You can see it now. They need to see. You are telling them that you have property for them to sell, to buy. They need to see it before they can make payment. But whichever one, if you want to enable it, you can add your payment. Just put it there. Please make your payment to this bank account or to this. Then once you are done, send a proof of payment. So you can type the message there and they will get it. Okay, so that is about that. So we don't want to wait much time, so we are moving. Right, next is for us to edit our home page. Okay, but then before we do that, let's go to customize. Let's go to customize. Let's go to customize. Good. Let's see what we have on customize. Okay, now we are in the customize section. You can see home ID. We need to change this logo. So let's see, set identity. First and foremost, if you take your mouse there, you can see customize my blog, my WordPress blog. We don't want that. I need to remove this. You can see Tush home. That is the name of mine. This quality and affordable home. Okay, so that is what I want there. I'll publish. Right, then if I want to add site ID, you can click on site icon. right? I want to add the site icon. I just use let me use this. Okay, then I'll publish. All right. You can see where it's displayed. So scroll up again, go back, then you come to color, header color, background color. Let's see where this one is. Okay, don't think where this one is. So let me clear, go back to where it's coming from. Alright, so I always tell you, if you are doing anything and you're not sure of it, just leave it. Header image, I don't need any header image. Background image, I don't need anything like that. Menu is already set. Alright, so widgets, I don't need anything like that. Home page is already set. Footer, okay, good. If you come to the down part of this now, you will see something like, where is it? Where is it? Okay, 2021 home ID, alright, reserve. Okay, that's not what this is not what I want. Let me see. Let me see what I have there. Okay, it's not showing what I want, so let me go back. Alright, so this is not where we want to change our okay, so let's come over to okay, let's go to home now. Let's open the site in a new tab so we can edit. Let's open the site in a new tab. Okay, good. Now let's edit. Click on edit with Elementor. Click on edit with Elementor so we can edit the site, the home page. The same way you're going to edit this home page, that's how you edit every other pages on the site. That is how you edit every other pages on the site. You can see the moment you did that, this is already showing up. You can see it. It's already showing up. If you want to change this, click on it, it will pop up here. You can see it now. This same thing here. Right, so let's start with what I have here. Let me show something. Okay, so this is there. Alright, so let's go. Okay, let me see something. Oh, good. You can edit this here. You can delete this one. I don't want this one to be here. You can delete it. You can see it now. You can edit any of the this thing, like I always tell you, you can edit them. You can see. Okay, so now I'm editing this footer. You can see I'm editing the footer. You can delete this, but I don't want this. You can just come here. I'll delete it. You can see what I have now. Everything you need to know when looking at different things, so they are all here. You can edit this, you can edit this, you can edit this. So once you can do all of these things, you are good. Click on it. You can see 2021 home. I can just change it to 2022. 2022 or 2020, 2023. Let me put the 2023. Alright, instead of this, just put, I see there, just say touch home. Alright, I have touch home. Alright, reserve. I can change this phone number. Change the phone number. So whatever number you want to put there, close it. Then I also change this email. You can change it. Anything you see here, you can edit it. You can see it. I say touch home.com. You can see now, you can change it. Then this last part is the social icon. Click on it. You can see them here. So just click on it here. You can see this. Then this is where you paste your link. Paste your link there. This part that has to where I pasted this in. So that is what you do there. Okay, you do for this particular one again. You do for this, you do for this, you do for this. Once you are done, you update. You can see it here. You update. Right, so I'm done with this. Now let me go back to editing this site. Okay, so just come over. You can see it now. Edit page. Click on it. I will no longer be editing the footer. I will not be editing the main site. So I'm no longer editing the footer. I'm now on the main site. So you can see wider range of property, financing made easy, transparency. Okay, transparency. Okay, I mean you can see it now. Transparency. So anything at all you want to edit, the moment you click on it, here, as far as you have enabled the edit with Elementor, the moment you click on it, it will appear on your left hand side. So just take your time and do it one after the other. Since I'm done with this, click on this. If I click on this one now, this one will show. You can see now. I will now scroll down here and edit it. Alright, once I'm done, I will update. Alright, so you do it like that, like that, like that. Okay, this other one, let me do something here now. You can see this. You can see this. Alright, provide. You can see, okay, this is even sliding. Okay. Alright, so you can see how it works. So without doing that, you can also, okay, you cannot copy it, you can type it. So that one will be a problem. Let me see this also. This one does not have things like that. Let's see. Or let me see our services. Good, let me just see our services. You can see this one, services. You can see, I just copy this. I'll copy. If I copy that now, I'll come over to this place. Where is it? You can see. Alright, so this is wide range of property. If you look at there, this part that is showing here, then I'll just highlight this, press Ctrl V. You can see it now. It has changed to provide luxury home, lands and commercial properties at affordable prices. You can see you can change all of these things. Then if you now want to change the background, if you want to change the background of this, you can change the background. Just click on this. If you click on this now, this 6 dots, then come to style. Then you can change the background. You can see it here, background. Come to this part. You can see it. If you want it to be red, any color you want it to be, you can see it. I'm done with that. Alright, so if I now want to change this color, this particular box, then I'll come to style, content. You can change the color. I want it to be white. You can see it now. Good. Then you come to description. Okay, then you come to, right, then that is for the content. Alright, then you come to description, the same thing, color. You can see the description too. Alright, then I'll update, but then I don't want this. I'll just go back. Okay, so you can see that. So irrespective of how you want to be, you can do anything now. So you can see the way we'll be doing it. Now we are done with the footer. So if you want to add, for instance, you want to add some things, just click on this plus sign. Alright, then to show you either 2 column or 3 column. If it's one single thing, just put it there. If you want to add text, let's say I want to add let's say I want to add this. You can see them now. I want to just, let me just say I want to add text. Okay, I want to add text. Alright, I want to add text. You can see them. Just copy this. Okay, I'll come over to this place now. Then click on this. Then bring what's called, you can see title. Then Ctrl A, Ctrl V. I don't want this second one to be there. Okay, then I want it to be at the center. I see it. Be at the center. You can see it there. Then I want to add the other one. I can click on this knife dot. So I want this one to be there. I will drag this one now. Come over to this place. You can see it now. So I'll just Ctrl A, Ctrl V. Then also I want to be at the center. You can see it now. Make it at the center. Then I want to increase the size. You come to typography. You can see it now. You can make it there. You can see the way it is now. Alright, so the next is I want to add image. I click on that one again, but then you can see the image here. They're about 4, 5. Okay. Alright, so we need to add it. Just come over to this place. Come to image carousel. So you can see it inside. So drag it inside. Sorry about that. So you add the images. Add the images and just so you can see the images. Okay. You can see the images. So that is how you do that. Okay, so once you are done, you update. You can see the image moving. Once you are done, you update. Once you are done, you update it. So you can see with this now. Let's go back and visit our site again. Let's click on this. You can see everything that we have done so far. You can see this is what we did the other time. Then you can see this. Alright, so anyone you don't want, let's go back now. So if for instance I don't want this, I can just delete. Just click on this, right click on this and select delete. You can see it's gone. And the same thing here, delete. If you don't want this, just press this and it will delete. So anyone you don't want, you can delete them off. Like this one, I don't want this. I don't want this. I can delete it off. You can see it. But then now coming to this place, if you look at this, there's the space between here and here is not much. There's no space rather. So just click on this dot, this C dot, click on it. Click on it, then come to advanced. Make sure you unpin this. So you can, once you are there now, you can see it now. Space is going down. So update. Alright, so the same thing you did before, you can also edit all of this. You can edit them, you can see them there. Image box, you can edit them. Alright, so you can see with this now, we are done with the front end. We are done with the front end. So the same process with which we work on this front end, that is the same process we repeat to work on the blog, the services. Alright, you can see the blog, the same thing you do on the blog, the same thing you do on the services, same thing, you just have to also enable edit Elementor to also work on this part. Alright, so now let's quickly edit, change the logo. I think that's what's remaining. So let's work on the logo, change the logo. Alright, so let's change the logo. So let's go back to our dashboard. Let's go back to our dashboard. Alright, so for us to change the logo, like I said, come to theme option. You can see it here. Let me go to dashboard and show us. Okay, so you come to theme option. Where is it? You can see it here, theme option. no, come to theme option, then click on what, header. You can see it here, click on header. Alright, so once you done that, you can see the top bar. This is top bar. Enable it if you want it to show. Enable top bar. This is top bar. Once you have enabled it now, save changes. Alright, save changes. Then come to logo. You can see this is the logo that is there. Let's change the logo. Alright, click on choose logo. Let me just go and select one logo. So once you've done that, come to desktop. Let me look for logo. Okay, which one will I now use now? Okay, let me use this one, logo. Okay, you can see that. So that is the logo. I'll click on use this image. You can see this. So I'll also use the same thing. Okay, so the same logo, you can see it now. Then I'll say save changes. Alright, before logo again, after logo. No, I don't need any of this thing. So you just have it. Since I'm done with that, let me come to this place and refresh my work. It has not taken effect, so let's see the logo. Let me open the site myself here. Okay, it has not taken effect. Even the top bar I enabled has not taken effect too. Okay, so we have before logo, we have navigation. Let me check. Enable navigation. Okay, so you can see typography, all of this font family. Okay, font family, all of this font and the color. You can see the color, the background color is white. Hover color, and change the hover color if you want it to be red. So this hover color can also change it to be red. Alright, so any of this thing. Okay, then you save option. Anything at all you are doing, make sure you header, desktop header scheme. I'll say dark. Let's see. So mobile, let's check the mobile. Also make sure you check the mobile. Customize logo. Also make sure you upload the same logo. Okay, see, so you change the logo. Okay, so I put that there. Also come here. Also put that there. Okay, so then once you are done, the style, you can see different style. You can see the top bar logo at the center if you want that. Then once you are done with all of these things, save changes. Okay, make sure you save changes. Let me check the logo again. Logo is there now. Save changes. Top bar has been enabled. Okay, so all the necessary things have been done. You can see them. All the necessary things have been done. General. So we have done our logo. We have, this is header enabled. Ajayi device medium. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is fine now. This is fine. You can see all the things we have done so far. we have changed the logo, we have done all the necessary things. Okay, sometimes when you are working on some of these things, the effect doesn't appear immediately. I see the effect doesn't appear immediately. Okay, so since we are able to upload our theme, so just give it some time, it will come up. Alright, some of them will have to take time before it comes up, but if it doesn't come up, you are good to go. Just leave it like that. Right, just leave it like that. Right, so far so good. We have been able to create our real estate website with all the functionalities, okay, being added to it. Okay, so the same process with which we have done this, you can also do other ones. Let's check this contact us. Let me see. I think that is where we can see that. I see it now. So let's say we want to edit this. Let's say we want to edit it. Just click on edit with Elementor. It's easy. The moment any of these pages you are talking about, open them one after the other and click on edit with Elementor. It will be very, very easy. You can see now you can edit. Now you can edit. You can see it's showing. If I click on this now, you see them. It will appear here. You can see it's San Francisco. You can see there. You can see the address and phone number. You just edit it, change whatever thing you want to change. Once you are done, you can see it now. Yes. Once you are done, you can see this green button. Just update it. Finish. So you have to do it one after the other. Just do it like that, one after the other. Right, so I think we have come to the end of this video. Hope you're able to follow through everything we have done so far. Please and please, if in the process of watching the video you are not able to get it, take your time and watch again. Alright, so once you are done, if you still have issues, do well to reach out to us. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Everything we have been able to do and implement. Alright, so if you have questions, also like I said, reach out to us. And for any questions or anything, also do well to reach out to us. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. My name remains Amadine Etiosa. God bless you.